This is the lecture for David Shoemaker's article, The Insignificance of Personal Identity for Bioethics, and Duncan Purves's The Significance of Personal Identity for Death. So just one topic. This is just to point out that the point I talked about in the previous lecture about like persons and personal identity, which, as I talked about in the previous lecture, had also come up in Chata. It also comes up in this article. So, after a whole class basically of not talking about this, we actually get Shoemaker here saying, personal identity is something of a misnomer because we're not really talking about persons. We're talking about like individuals like us. And so, if we are, for instance, fetuses at some point, fetuses are definitely not persons in the moral sense of the term, but they're obviously relevant to personal identity. So just to like, look, it's the third article in a row talking about this topic.